on the dodgiest gondola in the world, maybe. Good morning from Missouri, India. So Missouri is known as Queen of the Hills because it's 2,000 meters above sea level. So I'm here on my first day, so I'll give you my first impression. I'm walking through the streets now, but because it's a Sunday, everything seems to be closed and I need to find somewhere for breakfast, but it's really not looking promising. I'm going to keep walking down here and just see what there is. But yeah, literally everything seems closed. I arrived yesterday like in the afternoon, so I've not really seen much. It seemed a lot busier, but I think a lot of Indians come here for like a weekend away, and obviously on the Sunday they go back home, so it seems dead. And yeah, obviously Sunday's the day where they close their shops. Hopefully I find somewhere like traditional. I really fancy a dosa and a cold coffee. I've potentially found a cafe, so let's see what this is about. Cafe Madras. Looks good to me. They've got dosas and like smoothies and that. Can I get the plain dosa? And banana lassi? Banana lassi?
Banana lassi.
Lassi, yeah. Yeah, that's it. Cheers. Gone for traditional, just for you guys. And I had lassi for the first time the other day, but that was just a sweet lassi, so I'm going to try a flavoured banana lassi, let you know how it is. I found Missouri quite expensive. This meal is like $360 with the drink, so that's about £3.60. But that's like double the price of anywhere else I've been in India, to be honest. But it's quite a nice place. But still, like where every restaurant or any food I've looked at getting here, it all looked quite expensive. So it's obviously good because we're in the mountains and it's quite a touristy place. But still, £3.60 for a meal is not too bad. Got my banana lassi. Let's give it a taste test. It's nice. It's a bit like a banana milkshake, but like really strong banana flavour. When I had the lassi the other day, it tastes like a mix of like milk and yogurt. It was like a yogurty taste, but like a slightly thicker than milk texture. But I think you can get different types of lassi. Some are really thick, where it's like pretty much a yogurt. But very nice. I'll give you my dosa review as well after. Then you know. My dosa comes with 2 sauces. Thank you. So it's like a pancakey, it's like pancakey taste. It comes with like a sauce. Very nice. It's like a pancake but not very sweet. Well, not really sweet at all. But it's quite a good thing for breakfast because it's less like, yeah, it's less like, I've never fancied like a curry for breakfast. This is like a mix of sweet and savoury, so. And you get like sauces to dip it in. Top notch. Great breakfast. You also get these like minty sweet sort of things at the end of your meals, but these are different to what I've seen. That's what they look like, bright green. I cannot describe that taste. It tastes a bit like how you imagine soap tasting. If you ever tried soap, that is it. It's like it's not even really minty, it is just like soapy. But yeah, we're going to leave now and head into the centre. Thank you. Back out onto the street. I think the main centre is like all the way up there. It's like a 20-minute walk, so I'll take you up there. I'll save you do the walking. I just remembered there's a gondola here that takes you to like a viewpoint, I think. I've not looked into it, but it's literally just up there. So I thought, I've got to try and see what it's like. It looks very old and not very safe at all. But I've got to try, see how much it is. Head up to the viewpoint. That'll show you a better view than what I was going to show you before. I don't know if it's free or you have to get a ticket or anything, so I'm just strolling down here now to see what happens. Oh, there's a ticket counter here. Don't know how much. 180. 180. It's a right rip off that. I'm not sure I've got 180 on me. Gonna have to check. One ticket. Then you've had ticket secured, that was easy. Now I just have to queue up to get on the dodgiest gondola in the world, maybe. It looks so old. That does not look safe. I don't know how many people it holds, like 8 to 10 maybe. I was in Austria literally a month ago, and they look a lot more secure and better there. Look at this. I'm also a bit scared of heights. I have skydived before. I was shaking like a leaf. I just hate heights, but should be alright. It looks a pretty short journey. And then might be able to fly my drone up there too, because I've got my drone with me. I'm in front of the queue. Going in to the world's sketchiest gondola. It's a bit crammed in it. This does not feel safe at all. We're going up there. It's not actually too far, it's probably only 200 metres. You get a good little view of Missouri, I can show you. The views down there. I'll be able to get a better photo when I'm on there. Video, I mean. Seems pretty sturdy, to be fair. Sturdier than some in Austria. Because the ones in Austria, like the drop is massive, whereas the drop is not actually that bad. Back myself to survive it. It's only that. Easy. The views up there. Definitely going to get the drone out. I'm not sure how you get back down. I don't know if you go back down on that or just walk or something. But I need to try and find somewhere to fly my drone. Sometimes they're a bit iffy about it. So, over here looks like I think a lot of people's perceptions of India is like, yeah, the busyness of Delhi and stuff, but there is other areas. It's such a big country that it's got some amazing places. England.
We are Indian.
Hello?
We are Indians.
Indian. From Missouri?
Yes. No, from Delhi.
Where are you from?
Delhi.
From
We are
England?
hostel.
Near Birmingham?
You are tourist?
Yes, visiting Missouri for 3 days on my YouTube.
Oh,
You need to subscribe.
I see the videos of Harry Jared.
Hey?
You know Harry Jared? Harry Jared. That's
No.
Who makes, who
so-
makes that vlogging videos like you?
Someone I spoke to told me to watch his videos, but I've never seen them. Yeah, I'm showing people around
There
India.
are nothing. There are nothing.
Is it? I have a
11 o'clock every.
Open.
I have a drone. I want to fly my drone, so I need to find somewhere I can fly it. Okay, I found a slightly hidden place here where I'm going to fly my drone. There's only a couple of people about, and once I get it up, they won't see it. So the views that way are mad, and the views that way. So I'm going to try and get both and show you a little montage of where I am. New place, and now I've got an audience.
इसको बिठा बैठना है कि के ऊपर बिठाओ
Hope you enjoyed those drone shots. They were quite hard to get because there was a lot of people about, so I was trying to get some of me in it, but there's always people up there because everyone wanted to see about the drone. But so yeah, I'm going to finish the video there. Hope you enjoyed me trying some of the local food, the lassi drink, and then seeing some of the views in Missouri. So make sure to like and subscribe. I'm so close to 500 subs. I might be there by the time this video's up. But yeah, thanks for all the support. It's been mad. One of the videos have hit 10k, which I wouldn't even dream of after 3 weeks. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Follow me on the socials, and I'll see you on the next one, which will also be in Missouri.